Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular stall design. So now let's continue this by creating this chairs over here. For creation of this chairs, what we'll be doing over here is like, let's go into this side view over here, and let's just take a line tool over here. Just take a line tool over here, after that, after taking a line tool over here, let's just push this up over here, scale it, push it up, and let's go into rendering, rectangular, enable in viewport, and increase its thickness, that is your length and width. After you are done with this, let's rotate this over here. Now what I can do over here is like, I can go into its line, I can just push this up over here in this way, I can even push this out in this way, and let's convert to editable poly, and let's use some swift loops over here. So let's just use some swift loops over here, or use a connect. So let's go into this and let's use some connect over here. After you have used the connect over here, so now I can just go into this and I can use a modifier that is called FFD box. I can use the FFD box modifier over here. So let's go into this, go into its control points, let's just push this down, select this over here, push it back, we can just push it in this way, down, select this, push this in this way, select this and this, push it in this way. So definitely we can utilize it in your way as you want. So we can just put one swift loop over here, and let's give smooth over here. If you want, you can just give smoothness over here. Let's go into this again over here, and let's just push this down, and let's again take a line tool over here, and let's just create this and make it as a radial over here. Let's just place it in this way and just duplicate it in this way. So we can increase its thickness if you want. We can increase its thickness. We can just select this and increase its thickness. So select this both over here, and you can drag it over here in this way, and you can just group it. So save your file. After that, we'll be just creating a small table over here. For that, let's take again, go into the top view over here, and let's take a cylinder over here. So let's just drag a cylinder over here, increase its sides, reduce its height segments, reduce its height, and just push this up. So we can just push it, not much, a bit up over here, and convert to editable poly. Select this polygons. Let's use a bit of inset over here. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, we'll be using some stylish over here. Select this in this way, and let's just mirror it, copy it. So let's just select this in this way. So let's just rotate it and set this as a 90-degree over here. Shift and rotate it, and just push it over here in this way. Much better. So you can just push it at the center over here. Drag this over here, and let's go into the top view, mirror it in this way. So after you are done with this, again just duplicate it over here in this axis over here, and again mirror it in y-axis and make a copy of it. So once you are done over here, you can just select this whole thing over here, that's your table and all, and if you want to take one more copy of it, you can just go with that and take a copy over here, not a problem. After that, if you require, then only you put it, or else it's okay. We can just push this a bit out over here. So we can easily adjust that stuff. So now let's go into this. Select this all, save your file, and let's just give one color to it. We can take some duplicate for this lights also over here. So let's just duplicate it over here. So just duplicate this, duplicate it again over here, just duplicate it over here. Now what we'll be doing is, if you want to create this couch, let's create this couch. For creation of this couch, what I can do is I can even use a line tool over here for that. So we can use a line tool over here. So let's go into this and make it rectangular over here. So the size is very small over here. We'll keep this size over here. Let's go into the vertices. Let's just push this out. Select the vertices, push this out, select this both the vertices, and let's give a bit of fillet to it. We can just give a fillet to it. So you can just convert to editable poly over here, and you can add some swift loops over here if you require it. So first let's just delete this, save your file. Again over here use a swift loop over here. Let's go into this and give a FFD box over here. Go into the control points, just push this up over here in this way, select this, now so whatever areas you want to push it down, you can just push that areas down over here. So let's just select this and just push the areas down. So whatever areas you want to push that down, and this area to push it up, you can just push that up over here in this way. So just select that and just, but before pushing it down, we don't have any segments over here. So it's very important that first you assign some segments over here. So there are no segments, how it will push it down. So make sure you select this, and let's just give a connect over here, and let's give a FFD box control. Let's go into this, select this, push it up. So now after you have pushed this up, you can just push this down. So you can just select this and you can just push it down in this way. You can just push it down in this way. Much better. Alright. So if you have any doubts, please write it in the comment section. And please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. That's KO Tutorials. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.